Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to explain to you how you can enable the secure boot option in your Windows computer. The first thing you have to do is to open your BIOS. If your computer is already open, you have to restart your computer. If it's not yet open, then it's time for you to turn it on. Once the startup screen has shown up, you can start pressing the F12 key or the key that is indicated in the startup screen to open the BIOS. Different motherboards have different BIOS buttons. Also, different manufacturers set different buttons and it could be different, but usually the button for all motherboard manufacturers is the delete key. Spamming the delete key or the specified button is a better way to open up the BIOS because sometimes PC boot up can be quick. Now, once you are in the BIOS settings, you have to find the Secure Boot Enable option. Just remember that you can find the Secure Boot Enable option in many tabs, which are either in the Boot tab, Security tab, Authentication tab, or the Custom tab. The Secure Boot Enable option could be somewhere between these four tabs. Depending on different motherboard manufacturers, it could also be in different options. So, if you're in there, you will find the Secure Boot option and you have to click on it and click on Enable. Once you have enabled it, you have to go to the exit page of your BIOS, then you have to click on Save and Exit, then this will enable your SQL boot. And that's how you basically do it. I can't show you the procedure because I can't screen record outside Windows, but I hope the example pictures help you. I hope you get the idea since this is something that's very simple. Thank you so much and we hope to see you again next time.